And your choice for favorite movie actor is Johnny Depp.
10 ways Johnny Depp earns and spends his $200 million. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Poppin' Luxury. 10. Earns sprawling acting career. Johnny Depp has one of the most successful careers of any actors. His movie have grossed billions of dollars worldwide, making him one of the highest paid actors in the industry. Depp has $20 million salary upfront for any movie role and 20% of back-end royalties for the box office returns. He has earned more than $200 million from his Pirates of the Caribbean roles as well as the Alice in Wonderland franchise. 9. Spends a hefty monthly expense bill. Johnny Depp has always been known for having an ultra-lavish lifestyle on movie sets and homes. As mentioned by CNBC, Depp spends a sizable fortune of his monthly expenses that cost $2 million for his luxurious lifestyle. Some of things that rake the bill are $200,000 on his private jet, $150,000 on his family's security, $300,000 as his staff salaries, and $30,000 on wine. 8. Earns producing successful movies. Apart from acting, Depp has invested in successful movie projects as a producer. He is credited as a writer and producer in several movies he has starred in. Some notable movies are Martin Scorsese's Hugo in 2011, 2013 The Lone Ranger, and Mordecai in 2015. He has earned a sizable amount in millions from his role as a producer. 7. Spends islands of luxury. Buying islands is not for the lighthearted. Only the richest celebrities tends to buy islands for privacy reasons. Depp purchased an island in 2004 called Little Halls Pond Cay that cost $3.6 million. The island is spread across a gorgeous 24-acre space and he renamed it after his daughter Lily Rose. 6. Earns brand endorsements. Dior earned a lot of praise from people worldwide for keeping their partnership with Depp, despite the allegations put against him by his ex-wife. According to The Guardian, Johnny Depp is paid around $3 to $5 million for his endorsement with Dior's Sauvage. His popularity worked like a treat for the brand as the search results for his perfume increased by 23% after the advertisement was released. 5. Spends a French village. Johnny Depp went on to purchase an entire French village in 2001. The small village is located near Côte d'Azur in the French Riviera. While the price of the purchase was undisclosed, it was speculated to be around $55 million as the actor has put on the sale sign on the property to be purchased between $25 million and $63 million. The abandoned island was refurbished and has a bistro, skate park, wine cave, and several houses. 4. Earns real estate. In 2007, Depp purchased 5 penthouses in the same Los Angeles building for $9.2 million, and he put the properties on sale for $12.78 million in 2016. The units have 4 two-bedroom penthouses and 1 single-bedroom penthouse. He sold the properties in November 2017 for a price tag of $10.9 million as reported by Mansion Global. 3. Spends a custom-built cannon. One of the most out-of-the-box purchases Depp made was when he decided to fulfill his wishes of his late friend Hunter S. Thompson. His writer and journalist friend had a final wish to have his ashes shot from the cannon. Depp purchased a $3 million customized cannon to blast his friend. This event also included a long list of celebrities, live music, and fireworks. 2. Earns a bountiful yacht. Johnny Depp purchased a $20 million yacht, Fajoliroja, in 2007. The yacht is a 156-foot long and offers 5 bedrooms and state-of-the-art amenities from the entertainment room, decks to a home cinema and a salon. The yacht has an old-fashioned decor that was inspired by the 1930s. As noted by Warner Biscuit, he sold the yacht for $28.9 million to author J.K. Rowling, who loved the house after she vacationed on it with her family. 1. Spends generous charity donations. Johnny Depp is known for his lavish spending and for being a true philanthropist at heart. Since 2008, Depp has consistently made charitable donations of more than $1 million to foundations that are close to his heart. Some of the notable foundations are Children's Hospital Los Angeles and War Child. From spending millions of dollars for his families to make charitable donations, Johnny Depp is one of the most popular and lovable celebrities on the planet. His iconic movie roles have made him famous with people of all ages and created a long-lasting legacy that will keep his fame ever growing for years to come. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you will love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.